మా ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. బెల్ బటన్ నొక్కండి.
Today we are unboxing tripod 3110A model. So in this box front side we have a tripod symbol and tripod 3110A model number. So let's see what are the specifications mentioned in the box. In the box they are mentioned first one 3-way pan head. This pan head having 3-way movement, and another one 4-section leg, and we quick lever lock, and another one rubber leg grip, and another side also they mention some specifications like height 1020 mm and 350 mm and 345 mm, and those pictures are mentioned there, and base size is 16.10 mm and weight is 420 grams total. So let's we open the box and check the tripod how it is. Tripod packed in a back bag, so we can carry with easily in this bag. Now I am opening into the box bag. So we having a rubber leg, and it is fully mated by aluminum. The flexibility should be like this, and the bottom legs being like this. It is made it with plastic and aluminum, so joints made with plastic and the legs made with aluminum, and upper side we looks like this. We can round it 360 degrees in this tripod. So let's we see how it works. So this is first step of we can arrange the base as we like, and we can handle with this handle. We can change the modulation with the handle, so we can fix the mobile or your camera. We having a indicator also. So we can move. This handle will help us to move camera up and down and left side and right side. Like this. So it is very helpful to shoot movements in easy way. There is an indicator. We can see the angle how it is. So it is fine in this budget. Very flexible movement. We can easily assemble and refit this tripod. We can shoot 360 degrees round movement like this. As per my opinion, it is very comfortable to use. So they have a very flexible movement. So for me, it is very useful for shooting YouTube videos like this. We can extend like this. There is a lock in every step. We can open lock and drag this. We can extend the legs, and after extending we should have to lock. After extended legs, it looks like this. We can stand like this. This is how it looks after extending legs. This tripod is very cheap and best for small photographers. This tripod is very useful for YouTube starters. If you want to buy, it is available in Amazon. I bought in local market, but it is also available in Amazon. We have a rubber legs in ending, so it is fully made by aluminum, and it finally looks like this. Please like if you like this video, please like and share and subscribe. Thanks for your support.